the 54 double leg special. He is riding a little 65cc Kawasaki. That is all sorts of fucking crazy right there out front of our two trials riders.
Oh no! Chicken Man went down.
Our trials riders safely
cleared,
doing some Polish wheelies.
Oh.
Uh-oh. We gotta see if we can get our chicken refired down here on the west end.
Oh, come on, Marsh.
Took him a while to get to the starting gate. Now he's all tuckered. Oh, he's got just as I get down here, he refires it. Folks, here's our chicken racer! I'll tell you, our trials riders, watch these guys come over this double here at the west end. The first one's been doing like a Polish wheelie on landing, getting up on his front tire, hopping down the landing edge of the first one. Here comes our Polish wheelie. Grabs the gear on that beta and heads across the rest of the triple.
Poor Marsh. Not his night tonight.
Oh, he stalled it again.
It's got to be hot in that thing too.
So he refires that little pit bike. Here he comes!